Hey guys, thanks for coming back to our channel. Today's video we'll be unboxing our Thor watch from our Marvel Drop collection, guys. If you're new to this channel and you're interested in seeing cool behind the scenes and daily unboxings and why we chose certain colorways for our watches, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, let's get an unboxing on our Thor watch from our Marvel Drop.
I know everybody is waiting to see the Thor watch. Before we actually get into that, let's check out all the details on the box. Having the box in hand, you are exposed to this nice paper shell that has a really cool crosshatch texture. Also, you see this Avengers logo in the silver foil that really pops. It's like a nice big logo, feels really smooth. Below that is the part number. So this is the MJ112AB, which stands for Avengers, and it does have the Stormbreaker logo as well. Okay, let's remove this protective paper shell and see what the box actually looks like. And there it is, guys. This is really cool. So the box actually matches the paper shell as far as the texture on it, the crosshatch look. And then you do have the silver foil Marvel Avengers Endgame official logo. And on the back of that, you have our logo, produced by us, of course, on our website. And then you have the Marvel limited edition timepiece, and this is in silver foil as well. Also, if this box does look unfamiliar, it's because this is our new box. So any watch that you guys get from us from now on, it will come in this nice, smaller, sleek box. Still same great design. Okay, let's pull out this tab and see what the watch looks like. Okay, we're definitely getting close. So right away you see the paper shell or this paper sleeve, and it does have the Stormbreaker logo, and this is in silver foil as well, and it has the Thor logo. Let's remove this. So under that you do have this foam padding, and it's very thick. This is definitely protecting your watch. Okay, let's move this. And then after you remove that, you are exposed to the instruction, how to set your major and your classic, which is another model that we used to have. So turn that over, and that's going to show you how to actually set your new major watch. Is held in by this nylon strap, and this is definitely keeping your watch nice and secure. It's not going anywhere when you move the box. Okay, enough with the box already. Let's see the watch. Okay guys, and here it is, the Thor Stormbreaker Major watch. This thing is super crazy in person. I love the black and the red with this Stormbreaker colorway. It just really screams a lot of detail, and it commands a lot of attention. Look at that beautiful black polished case, the way it is shining, the way the light is reflecting off of that. In person, guys, this thing is crazy. And it does have this brush still on the side with the Meister engraved on that. Let me get into that. So that's a really cool detail that is hidden on the side of the Major, is this engraved Meister. Okay, so before we actually break down the case, let's talk about the inside face detail. To me, the first thing that really stands out is the red indicators, and then the even dual layer outside of the watch that has the small red indicators as well on top of that. Okay, so the next detail that's just absolutely commanding my attention is the Avengers A logo in that blue behind it, and then the multifunction movement. So in the middle, you do see the Stormbreaker hammer, as well as the day and date. You see the storm coming out of that. A lot of detail, guys, from the actual character and their moves to the watch. We wanted to tie in absolutely everything, so that way when you do get this watch, not only you're impressed, but all the details that match together really make it a collector's item. Also, in our Major, it is a multi-layer face, so behind that in the last layer, you see the crosshatch pattern. That is going to just really tie in all the details together, and it really gives you this great, not only simplistic look, but a lot of detail that just pops out, and they really mesh together so well. Okay, let's move on and talk about the case. So the bezel has a polished black case, and because it is a multi-layer case, on the side of it, it's brushed black steel, which gives it a really cool dimension, guys. So when you see it, it's got this nice polished case finish to it, but on the side, it does have that brushed finish. Another pleasant surprise, which is great detail to me, is the Meister engraved on the side. Turning the watch onto the crown side, you do see the M logo as well, and that is engraved too. So two small details that are hidden, but when you see it, guys, that's what really counts, is tying all the detail. Okay, let's move on and talk about the band. So the band chosen for this limited edition Thor watch is a smooth black leather band with red stitching on that, and that's obviously going to tie in from the band to the face. Another great feature that I love about not only the Major but our band is you're able to actually switch out the band. So this band does have a latch on it, so all you do is pull down on that, and that's going to release the band, guys. This allows you to not only put a different band on the watch, but make it your own style, make it your own watch, a watch that someone's not going to have because you did change up the band, so it's your feel, it's your watch. And like all Majors, it does have our 6 hexagon bolts. Let's turn the watch over and see what cool features are on the back. First thing you're going to notice is the Avengers Endgame that is engraved, as well as the Thor and the hammer under that. It is numbered to 100, guys. All of our Marvel drop is definitely limited, and most watches are only to 100, guys. So all majors are water resistant to 50 meters.
Alright, that wraps up the details of our Thor watch from our Marvel drop, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down below. We do check them daily, guys. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel to see more cool unboxings and just other cool stuff behind the scenes that we daily provide. Stay tuned for detailed shots of this watch on wrist and some really cool lifestyle pictures. As always, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the continued support. Make sure you do grab our Thor watch. It is extremely limited from our Marvel drop, guys. And take care. Have a great day.